Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan designer Arifen from group J4EM1103K. So my number matrix is 2019411266. Today I want to explain about fitting, and I will be do the replica turn mill machine using a fitting machine. So for the metal sheet, I will replace it with box, and the cutting material I will be replace it with holding knife, and for assemble I will do the assembled part I use glue and sellotape. And for the apparatus, first we use a folding knife, and then we use a ruler to replace it with metal ruler. Then we use glue, and then we use a pen to replace it with scriber, and then we use sellotape, and lastly we use chisel. Okay, so for the measuring process, use scriber and steel ruler to measure marking, but I will use a normal ruler and pen. A equal with 6 cm and B equal with 9 cm. And then we go to cutting process. Cutting process, step 1, cutting part. Set the position and gently make a cutting part over the line. Cutting process, step 2, swing. Swing the hacksaw back and forward. Swing forward with force to material and retract without force. Cutting process, step 3, twist. If the cutting angle not aligned with cutting line, twist the hacksaw opposite the angle. If the cutting part does not align with the cutting line, slightly change the angle of the hacksaw to the planned cutting line. And then we assemble all the part using glue or sellotape. For the filling process, step 1, remark and clamping. Filling process, step 2, keep on filling. Filling process, step 3, finish. and the value of slide cut is 4 mm. And this is all the finished parts. Assemble all parts and check all their dimensions. Make sure all the moving parts can move smoothly. Good parts must have a very small clearance. It is not too tight or too loose. Make sure all moving parts can move smoothly. So this is the final result of the practical. That's all from me.